Your DDJ 200 has various different pad modes, so let's take a look at them. Pad modes offer lots of ways to get creative when performing on the controller. The DDJ 200 features 8 performance pads on each deck, which you can use to introduce creative performance techniques to your sets. Control the function of the performance pads via WeDJ. In the performance screen of WeDJ, each deck has a pad mode select section underneath the track waveforms at the bottom of the screen. The current selected mode will be indicated by a blue outline, and the default pad mode is Hot Cue mode. Hot Cue mode allows you to assign up to 8 different hot cues in your track to the performance pads. 1 hot cue per pad. A hot cue is a specific point in the track where you've set a marker that lets you jump to that point instantly at any time by pressing the performance pad it's assigned to. Hot cues are labeled from A on the top left pad through to H on the bottom right pad. Tapping Loop next to Hot Cue changes the pad mode to Loop mode. The performance pads on the DDJ 200 flash twice to indicate a change of mode. Tapping Loop again shows your pad configuration. You can now use the pads to loop a section of your track. From 1/16 of a beat on the top left pad up to 8 whole beats on the bottom right pad. Each increment doubles the loop time of the previous pad. You can switch the loop mode to manual, which allows you to set in and out points for the loop. And you can half or double the loop and re-loop the last looped selection using the performance pads on your DDJ 200. Tap to change the pad mode to Pad FX, which assigns a different effect to each of the performance pads. Tapping again, then tapping Edit allows you to change which effect is assigned to a pad and adjust the effect length or parameter. Sampler mode automatically assigns a different sample to each of the performance pads. Tapping Sampler again, then tapping Edit allows you to change which sample is assigned to a pad. You can also select further samples from a range of sample packs. Use the volume slider to adjust the volume of the sample when it plays. Experiment with all these different pad modes to add texture and flair to your performances and create your own sound.